Hello and welcome back. In our previous tutorial, we were doing some manipulation on the visual elements of the chart. And now we come to a further exploration of the data labels. So let's have a look. Click on the data labels. Okay. And of course, how do you pop this out? Let's just X this away. Once you have this selected, you can come over to chart tools under format selection, and the selection is data label for now. So with data label selected, you can see that over here quite a number of options for you. Now instead of showing values, I want to show percentage. All right, I can click on this percentage, and I don't need values. I will need the category name. So product 2, 3, and 4 over here. With that, I have shown products by the category name and by the percentage on this overall. Okay, so that is it. Thank you.